There are so many standards. I'm confused. Which IEC standard as an installer or designer do I really need to know in detail to do my job properly? Hello and welcome back to the Explosion Protection Professional EXPP Micro Learning Series. I'm Bob Johnson, your guide through the world of explosion protection. In our last video, we discussed the role of the manufacturer and the system integrator and how they are an extremely important part of the EX supply chain in helping to ensure a safe installation. Today, we will look at the key roles and responsibilities of the designers and installers of EX systems and equipment. Proper design and installation are critical functions involving EX equipment, and we do need to focus a large amount of our time on the proper selection and installation of EX equipment in our advanced course, the EXPP Competence. In the world of hazardous locations, the design and installation of EX equipment are like the architects and builders crafting a fortress against the risk of an explosion. Today we'll understand why these aspects are so crucial. Enter the IEC 60079-14 standard. This international standard is the compass guiding the design, selection, installation, and maintenance of electrical installations in explosive atmospheres. It's the rule book for creating safe environments. The 60079-14 standard has been adopted in many countries around the world as their basis for the design and installation of EX equipment and systems. So once you understand the fundamentals, no matter where in the world you may work, the general requirements are in many cases identical and are based upon the IEC version, which definitely makes life simpler. Let's start with the design. EX equipment must be meticulously designed to withstand the harsh conditions of hazardous locations. This isn't just about functionality, it's about creating a system that minimizes the risk of ignition. The -14 standard details the equipment selection, what protection concepts are suitable for what zone of use, what types of cables or conduit can be used, and much more. It also sets the criteria for designing systems that won't become a source of ignition itself. It's like engineering a spark-resistant fortress, ensuring the equipment won't inadvertently trigger a hazardous event. Now, the installation phase is equally critical. You can have the most well-designed EX equipment, but the risk escalate if it's not installed correctly. The -14 standard provides guidance for proper installation practices. The proper selection of glands, earthing, reading and understanding labels are all key functions that the installer must understand fully. Think of it as placing the bricks of your fortress in a way that enhances its strength. The standard also emphasizes the importance of competent personnel handling the installation. This is crucial, like having a skilled craftsman who understand the nuances of constructing a secure structure. Ensuring that EX equipment is installed following 60079-14 is like fortifying our workplace against potential explosions. This attention to design and installation isn't just about compliance. It's about ensuring the safety of everyone working in or around hazardous locations and creating the right conditions for optimal performance. It's a commitment to minimizing the risks associated with explosive atmospheres. Understanding the importance of design and installation equipment is a fundamental step for those aspiring to become experts in explosion protection and being a professional. It's a commitment to excellence and a pledge to uphold the highest safety standards. Today, we have explored why the design and installation of EX equipment, guided by the principles of IEC 60079-14, is so crucial. Your dedication to safety is truly commendable. For those of you who want to learn more, feel free to visit academy.bartec.com, your digital learning hub. Subscribe and enjoy our learning offering in explosion protection awareness and competency. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit bartec.com. Reach out to me, and I will personally answer your questions. Thank you for joining me today. In our next video, we will cover some key inspection requirements based upon the 60079-17 standard and how we can ensure a safe installation.
If you want to go beyond explosion protection awareness to reach a higher level of competency and compliance, please visit our Academy website. Email at academy@bartec.com, call us at 281-214-8542, or reach out to any of our partners and BARTEC offices worldwide. It would be our pleasure to send you the brochure and information about our digital and in-person explosion protection professional competency certification program. You will receive a BARTEC Academy EXPP certificate and have the option to obtain your IEC EX certification of personnel competency for you and your whole team.